Hello, everyone across the United States. Today we are diving into a topic that many find complicated, but it is actually quite fascinating. How to deactivate an LLC. Did you know that in the United States, there are over 2.4 million LLCs? That is a lot of businesses with unique needs, especially when it comes to winding down. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. Now, it is time to get to the heart of the matter. Deactivating an LLC sounds like a big task, right? Well, it can be, especially if you try to navigate the government processes on your own. Let's face it, government procedures can be slow and complicated. But here is the good news. You do not have to go it alone. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We understand the complexities of deactivating an LLC. In fact, we are the #1 third-party organization in the USA for helping you smoothly transition out of your business structure. Our team has the expertise and experience to handle all the necessary steps, making your life a whole lot easier. So, why choose us? Because we have seen how overwhelming it can be to juggle government paperwork, adhere to state-specific requirements, and make sure every detail is taken care of. That is where our passion lies, in simplifying this process for you. Our team thrives on helping you navigate these waters with ease and efficiency. Remember, every state has its own set of rules for deactivating an LLC, and missing even a single step can lead to unnecessary headaches. That is why we are here to take care of everything on your behalf, from filing articles of dissolution to handling final tax returns and closing out business accounts. And here is an interesting statistic to consider. About 60% of new businesses survive up to 3 years in the competitive market, and only 35% make it to 10 years. Whether your business has reached its natural end or you are pivoting to new adventures, properly closing your LLC is crucial. It ensures that you are not held liable for any future business obligations or legal issues. So it is time to make your transition out of your LLC as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our deactivation experts at 877-955-7111. Also, which state is your LLC registered in? Drop a comment below so one of our region-specific professionals can assist you. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.